This is the fourth bit from the third question, 3.3 exercise. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per the kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for travel a distance of 25 kilometers? So I would like to explain this question first. For a taxi, like an auto, from bus stand to Jinnah Tower, they will charge some amount, and bus stand to some Hindu college, they will charge another amount. So if 10 kilometers, they charged 105, and for the 15 kilometers, they charged 150. And the taxi has a fixed charge and charge per kilometer. Fixed charge means minimum charge. Whether you get into the auto and comes down, you have to pay 20 rupees or 10 rupees. That is a fixed charge. That is a minimum charge they are going to take. But when the distance is prolonging, they will ask you to pay according to the distance covered. If it is a shorter distance, minimum charge 20 rupees plus some extra charge they will ask. And if the distance is more, for minimum charge, and they will ask you some extra charge. And the question is, a person traveled 10 kilometers, he paid 105. A person traveled 15 kilometers, they pay 155. And if a person travel for 25 kilometers, how much money they are going to pay? That is a question. That means we have to find what is a fixed charge and what is the charge per the kilometer. Okay, let us see. Now let the fixed charge be X and per kilometer charge be Y. So according to the problem, fixed charge plus 10Y. So for each kilometer, they are going to ask 2 rupees extra. So 2 rupees, then this 10Y will be differ. Now X plus 10Y, a person traveled for 10 kilometers, paid 105. A person traveled for 15 kilometers, a standard minimum charge plus 15 kilometers charge, that is 155. Now we got two linear equations. Now take the first linear equation, select Y, keep the Y at one side and carry everything to the other side, and substitute the Y value in equation 2. So the equation 2 is X plus 15Y is equal to 155. X plus 15, in place of Y, we have derived Y value, that is Y is equal to 105 minus X by 10, substitute here, is equal to 55. Equation as it is, X to X plus to plus, 15 to 15. In place of Y, we are replacing with the equation is equal to 155, 155. Everything could be the same. Now 5 will cancel in 10 2 times, 5 will cancel in 15 3 times. So 3 into 105, that is 315. 3 into x, 3x by 2, that is 155. Now here 2 is dividing the one fraction To write for the second also, 2x will come and the whole by 2 will go to the other side. Just I have written little direct, that I think you can understand. Now 2x minus 3x, 2x minus 3x mean minus x, because minus is for the larger number. Minus x plus 315 is equal to 310. So minus x is equal to 310 minus 315. Minus x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to 5. So we got the fixed value of that, or the minimum charge for the auto is 5 rupees. Substitute that in any of the equation. Now I select first equation, x plus 10y is equal to 105. In place of x, 5 plus 10y is equal to 105. 10y is equal to 105 minus 5. 10y is equal to 100. Y is equal to 100 by 10. Y is equal to 10. Now we got standard, that means minimum charge and charge per 1 kilometer. Let us check. Simple. 10 tens are 100. 100 plus 5, 105. 15 tens are 150. 150 plus 5, 155. So the check also complete for this question.